Okay. Okay, go ahead and turn the lights on. Excellent. Let me go back here. We just adjusted the passenger light because it was off a little bit. Now it shows how it was done right. Okay. You can go ahead and shut them off now. Okay, thanks.